Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do a top-down analysis on US30, and we are going to start our analysis from higher time frames, which is monthly time frame, and then we will go down to lower time frames, 1 hour 30 minutes and 15 minutes. From the higher time frames, monthly, weekly, daily, we would like to, or we will find out the direction of the market, where the price is heading in the next few months. On the lower time frames, 1 hour 30 minutes and 15 minutes, we would like to find out the trading setups for intraday and scalping in the direction of the higher time frames, or taking benefit of higher time frame direction. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We are going to start with a monthly time frame. Now as we can see, there was a support. Now as you can see, the last monthly candle closed below the support. So we already know that once the price break and close below a support, we are expecting the price, we are expecting the price to move to the next support. Now we know this is going to be a next support. So this last monthly candle close bearish below this support. So what we were expecting, the next candle opens, reaches the recent broken zone, and now moving towards the next support. So this monthly candle is still open, and we are expecting the price to move down to the next support. So we are pretty much bearish on the monthly time frame. Now let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, guys, the support is right here. Price broke and closed below the support, and then we were expecting the price to move to the next support. Now where is the next support? Next support is right here. Now as we can see, this weekly candle close respecting this support, or you can say like the candle rejected the support and didn't close below the support. If we had closed below the support, what I mean to say, like if this weekly candle has close like below the support like this, then we were in a much comfortable situation to say that the price is moving to the next support, to this area, right? But now this is not the case. Price close respecting the support, right? So price close bearish respecting the support. So what we are expecting now, as we can see, the price is between this resistance and this support. Now anything can happen. If we have the next weekly candle close bearish below the support, then we are anticipating the price to move to the next support. If we have a bullish closure here, suppose there might be a possibility that the price just the next weekly candle come down, retest this area, and give us a bullish closure like that. Even in that situation, we are bullish, like closing bullish respecting this resistance. But what if we have closed a bullish candle? Okay, let's do it like this. What if we have a bullish candle closure above the resistance? Now what's going to happen in that case? In that situation, guys, because we close above the resistance, we are expecting the next weekly candle to move to the next resistance. Now as you can see, this is going to be the next resistance level. So it totally depends upon like how the next candle is going to close. So right now the price is bearish, and we are pretty much looking for bearish trades and the price to move down, but this is going to be a support. So it has to be seen how the price react to this level. Now let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, guys, as we can see, there was a support here. There was a support here. Price broke and closed below the support, and then price made another support right here. So what are we expecting now? As you can see, the price is pretty much bearish, and now this is going to be a weak bullish candle. So this doesn't give us any kind of a confirmation that we are like there is a reversal in the trend, and we we are moving to the upside now. But it is also not very weak. I mean, it is also not a bearish candle. It's a weak bullish candle. So we have to be cautious, or it can be called a doji candle. So the price can go in either direction. So we have to be pretty much cautious while looking for trades in this market. Now as we can see, this is going to be a resistance on the daily time frame, and the next resistance is right here. And if we talk about the support, then we can see this is going to be a level. Price made a support, and the next support is right here, right? So what we know now, that we will wait for the one more daily candle. Next daily candle is going to give us better direction, because if we have the next daily candle close bullish like above this resistance, then we can expect the price to move to the next resistance, right? But if that doesn't happen, and we get a bearish candle closure, right? If we get a bearish candle closure like this, then we are expecting the price to move to the next support, wherever it is. So it totally depends upon how we get the next candle closure. Anyways, now it's a weak bullish candle on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frames, we see this was a support, price broke and closed below the support. And then we made another support, and right now the price closed back in the range. This is another resistance. So we know that there is a price is closed weak bullish on the daily, and here we close below the support, and then price closed back into the range. So what are we expecting now? Now we are expecting the price. Now we are expecting what's happening here. Okay, let's see. So what are we expecting right now? We are expecting the price to move to the next resistance like this, and if we get a break and close over that level, we are expecting the price to move to the next resistance, right? So this is what we are going to expect right now on the price. But if that doesn't happen and we get a bearish closure, right, like this or below this previous support, then we are expecting the price to then move to the next support, wherever the support is, right? So it's going to be like this on the 4-hour time frames. Now let's see what's happening on the low time frames, 1 hour. On the 1 hour, guys, as we can see, there has been a support right here. Oh, sorry, there has been a resistance right there, and there has been a support right here. There has been a support right here. This is going to be 1 hour time frames. On 30 minutes, guys, yes, there is a resistance up there. On 15 minutes, yes, there is a resistance up there, but this support seems okay, but we have to move down next support, which is right here. So what are we expecting now? We know that 4 hour is bullish, so we are expecting the price to move down to the next level. But what we can do right now here, that okay, from the daily we know that it's a weak bullish candle, so it's better to look for long trades if we break the high of the previous candle, and same way it's better to look for the short trades if we break the if we break the low of the previous candle like this. It's better to look for the trade in that situation. Anyways, let's see the same situation on the lower time frames. Let's come down to 15 minutes. So it's either it's a 15 minute, 30 minute, or 1 hour time frames. This is going to be a level, this is going to be a resistance level, so we can wait for the price to give us a break and close above that level on the 15 minute, 30 minute, or 1 hour time frame. But we have to keep in our mind that okay, 1 hour time frame, the next resistance is up there. So if you get a break and close above, this level here, we are expecting the price to retest this recent broken zone and move to the next resistance right here. And if we again get a break and close above, so we are moving to the next resistance like this. So this is what we are expecting on the 1 hour time frames. Now there can be a little bit difference of the support on the 30 minutes. Now let's see on 30 minutes, right? On 30 minutes, as we can see, there has been one more resistance here, and then another resistance, same as the 1 hour time frame. On 15 minutes also there is a little bit resistance here. So you have to keep in mind, if you are taking a trade, if you are taking a long trade based on a 15 or 13 minute candle close above this level, then you have to keep in mind this resistance. But if you have to, if you are taking the trades on the 1 hour, then it's pretty much fine, but still you have to keep in your mind, because on the 1 hour time frame as well, you can see this wick. So this wick is nothing but a rejection, and it's a rejection because on the lower time frame, 15 and 30 minutes, it's a level. So what I mean to say, on 15 or 30 minutes, you can move this resistance right here, or this level right here, and you can wait for 15 or 13 minute candle closure above this level, and then you look for long trades. But on the 1 hour, there is nothing there. So what you can do, you can wait for the price to get a break and close above this level in the 1 hour, and then you have to keep this like resistance in your mind. Maybe you can close partials, or you can put your stops to break even, or whatever you want to do. So this is like you are looking for the long trades there, and for the short trades, guys, we are looking for the short trades here. Why I'm mentioning here, now we can look for the short trades in between, but why I'm mentioning this, because as you can see, by this time, by the time price comes here, that will break the low of the previous candle, and that will be a better confirmation to look for short trades. And on the daily, the next support is right here. So I mean, we can anticipate the price to move to the next level. So what we can wait for in this situation, we can wait for price to give us a break and close below this level, and then we can wait for the price to move to the next support level on this time frame, wherever that support is, right? So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on US30. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.